What happens if you up, my friends? Let me tell you, mice are great, right? Totally. But what happens when your mouse stops working? Well, most people would have three options. Buy a new mouse, learn uncomfortable keyboard shortcuts, or gosh forbid, use the touchpad. Well, ponder no longer, for a solution has been conceived. Introducing Mousr, the keyboard-controlled mouse. Unlike technology of past jokes, such as Code Parade's horrible trackpad, this desktop application makes use of commonly used keyboard shortcuts rather than the impractical strokes of the keys. Simply download from GitHub and run. Do not worry if you think this app is unsafe, because all source code is available to look at. If you don't trust me, just ask some real person testimonies.
Every time my keyboard broke, I would cry for an hour before buying a new one. But now, I can just cry for a minute before running Mousr. I love this product that I use. It is so helpful for doing things that are commonly in need of doing. This product is great.
I was a cringe mouse user before installing Mousr. Now I am an alpha tad gamer.
So, you want to know how to use Mousr, don't you? It is as simple as playing a first-person shooter, as long as that game is called navigating the screen using a keyboard. To move the cursor in the 4 directions, use I, J, K and L. Hold shift to move slower. To left and right click, use U and O. It is designed to be reminiscent of a true mouse. To middle click, use 8. If you want to hold down a button instead of clicking it once, then press shift to toggle that key on or off. Use WASD to scroll up, left, down and right.
Like a true gamer.
To change the speed of the cursor and scroll, use left arrow and right arrow to decrease and increase respectively. Press delete to reset speed to default. Now, you may be asking yourself, this is great and all, but I want my cursor to be happy and do a little spin. You know, just have a great old time. Well, fear not, because by simply pressing F5, the cursor will perform said spin. If you want to type like a normal person while still having mouse control, press Alt Insert to toggle mouse on or off, and press Shift Alt Insert to exit the program. All key shortcuts, except Alt Insert of course, will be disabled until Mousr is activated again. So you don't have to worry about accidentally making your cursor feel joy when you just want to reload a page. You can discern if Mousr is active by looking at the tray icon. Now that you know and understand how to use it, you might as well download it from GitHub. Link in the description. Go ahead, download it. Download it.